What's up, guys? Today I have a question, and I'm not sure about the answer. Maybe you can help me with it. The USP, this one right here, standard full size. My most favorite gun in the world. Well, this gun came, when I bought it, as a Variant 1. Variant 1 has the safety decocker on the left-hand side of the pistol. Okay? Well, I don't love the safety decocker being on the left side of the pistol. It kind of gets in the way of the way I like to hold the gun. So what I did was went to HK Parts and I ordered the Variant 2. You see? And the Variant 2 safety decocker puts the safety decocker on the right side of the pistol. Okay? So I installed it on the right hand side. Actually, I got somebody else to do it. A gunsmith to install it on the right side of the pistol. And after he installed it, it was very difficult to decock the pistol. The safety would work just fine. Putting on safety would go smooth, but when I tried to put it and try to utilize the decocker, it was very stiff. I mean, like, I had to forcibly get on it like this. I mean, I couldn't do it with my thumb anymore. There was just no way I was going to pull it down with my thumb. I had to take my index finger and push down on it, very hard to get it to decock. It would decock, it just took a whole, a whole lot of effort to do it. Now, on my Expert right here, which came with a ambi safety decocker, if I decock it on the, let's see, decock it on the left-hand side, very easy. Now, very easy, even on the right-hand side. So it's there, and then very easy. That was not the case when I put the right-handed or the right safety decocker on my other standard full-size USP. So my question to you, or to anyone, is why is it so stiff? I like having the safety decocker there, but I just want to have it on the other side of the pistol. I took some little bit of lube and a little bit of oil, and I put it on these pieces when I installed it. Just a tiny bit. It actually wasn't on there when I first installed it, but when I got the issue of it being super stiff like it was, I said, okay, let me take these parts out and put like a little bit of lube on them to see if that helps. I did that and it did nothing. It still remained super stiff. And I thought maybe it was just something that would work itself out. Well, no. I did that, I installed that piece probably 4 or 5 months ago, and I have shot the pistol quite a few times and decocked it. I purposely made sure I decocked it plenty, as well as dry firing it at home to try to work it in. Well, it's done nothing but, probably gotten worse and more difficult to decock. So what I did was just I took it out. I took it out and didn't have any, and decided just to have nothing in there. But I would like to put it back. I just want to know the reason why the decocker is so stiff. So if any of you guys have an answer for me, I would love to hear it. And I am open to all suggestions. I thought about taking it off my Expert, but this one works so good that I'm just like, whatever. I'll just leave it on there. It's not the end of the world to me. I act like it is, but it's really not. If I take my thumb and I rest it on my hand, the decocker is not really an issue. But I would just like to have one pistol to where one of my USPs to have, set up the way I would like it to be. So just in case, I can do it with the grip how I like it to be, which is like this. USP. See? Let me see. Ugh, you're on the wrong side of me. Okay, so with this one, with the normal one, the way I want to have it is I put my thumb there and I put my other thumb right there. So, you know, it kind of rests right up against the wall. So you see the problem that the decocker makes. Now with the USP, I mean the Expert, it's on both sides, so I'm just like, you know, can't do nothing about it. But instead of, you know, trying to put it down right there, what I'll just do is put it over my thumb. And it's like, yeah, just do that with the other one too. Yeah, okay. I could do that, but I'm just trying to be greedy right now and stingy and have everything my way. And I would like to have one of these pistols with the decocker on the right-hand side. But yeah. Okay, guys, just want to make a quick video asking that question. If anybody has any helpful advice, I would love to know. Thanks. Take care.